Hey, welcome back to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today I have another Amazon Firestick tutorial. And in this one, I'm going to show you how to fix your Amazon Firestick screen size. So, as you can see here, my Amazon Firestick screen size isn't right. And this normally happens when you move your Firestick from one TV to another. And it is an easy fix to overcome. So, first things first, let's navigate all the way to the right here to the settings. Once we're in the settings, let's come down and select display and audio. Then within display and audio, let's come down and select display. Now towards the bottom, we want calibrate display. Now here you can press up and down to adjust the display so that the arrows are completely visible. So you want to go right to the edge of your screen. Once you've got it right to the edge of the screen, press the select button to accept the changes, and this should fix your Amazon screen size. However, if the problem is that third-party apps look stretched, then this is a completely different error, and what you want to do there is install a third-party application so it doesn't look stretched. But that's a completely different video, and I'll link that in the description below in case that is the issue. So hopefully that fixes your Amazon Firestick screen size. If it does, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe for many more Firestick tutorials like this one, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.